iPA accessory kit also comes with a set of adapters. The important thing to note about the adapters is they come covered and should remain covered at all times when they're not in use. In order to clean each adapter, remove the end that you will be mating, and again, using a Q-tip and alcohol swab, clean the inside surfaces and the other RF areas. Check for any mechanical deformation. Look again at your your cotton wipe to see that it's still usable and clean. Attach the adapter to the device that you're interested in using before you move on to cleaning the second interface. By sealing the interface, we avoid putting dirt or finger oils into it. We can now open the second interface and proceed with cleaning it as we did the first. When this cleaning is complete, either recap the connector or attach it to the connection that you're going to go forward testing.